So select here, display or in feed, and just select your code. Copy the code. After paste the code, click for I'm done. After paste the code, click for I'm done. Select your dashboard. What is called custom HTML. What the option call is advertise above the footer. Custom HTML. Advertise above the footer. Advertise above the footer. Select it. Add a widget. They coming here. Paste the code. Adding for special offer. Why I mentioned for special offer? Desired for mine or not, I have to confirm it. In this save, click for done. After that, now click for refresh. See here, after that, come into this scroll down. What is showing here? Special offer. Final content, come into scroll completely. They give one special offer here. This will be my special offer. Which one? Upload resume, time jobs, visit. The people watch, they click my ad. So in a previous ad will be there. I'm not interested. Remove it. HTML. Delete. Now refresh. We can display the private ads. Will display by any type of ads based on your things. What is that called? Your special offer. In the special offer, we can mention by the in your here also, header also, anywhere you can by using content between also. This will be depend on your where theme editor. And second thing is called you can create by the sticker also. Create by the sticker also. That will be in your options. So clear? This is also very important and particular website for create and ads. Without using plugins, we can create by Google AdSense code, upload by where on your website. The option call is widgets. Suppose I have to place the code by editor. Go for theme editor. How it is working for PHP HTML? Same thing will be there. Footer.php and header.php. Two files are there. We use only two files. Footer.php, header.php. Where you can find out. Here is the find out here. Contact, theme footer, home page, theme header. Theme footer and theme header. See this one. In other pages are there. Sidebar, footer, sidebar, left. These are the pages. Which one is that? Theme, header, theme, footer. What is that called? Footer.php, header.php. By using developer, theme editor. By using without knowledge of coding, using widgets. So in your total WordPress, widgets is a more powerful. It's a very important and particular WordPress website. So always remember, any kind of ads will be created. Don't use any plugins for ads creation for premium website. It's a very important for any purpose.